Quality content.
Oh God, I ain't no laughing. Hi guys, it's your girl Jessica here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I decided that I was going to do a part 2 to my previous video, which was getting some tips from my friend and YouTuber Authentic Janae on my makeup. You know, we did that challenge, and if you guys haven't seen that yet, you want to go and watch that one first before you get into this one. So obviously my makeup is still on. I'm still looking a little pretty. And I didn't want to waste good makeup, so I had this idea for a while. I've been seeing a few people do it on YouTube for a little bit and I wanted to give it a try. Today I am going to be turning myself into an Instagram baddie.
Cringe.
That is very cringy to say, but that's what we're doing and you all know exactly what I mean. So my makeup is already done, obviously, and I'm feeling nice because I did it myself. Yay. That part of the video is already done. I'm going to see if I can do anything much to my hair, but I'm not feeling to, you know, transform that part of it too much. We'll see. I'll just do a few things here and there, and then we will get into some clothes. So I'm going to go through my wardrobe, see what is the most baddie type outfit I can find, and then we're just going to put that together and I am going to transform from this to something else. So guys, stay tuned for that, and yeah, let's see what I come up with.
So I decided to just do a little simple thing with my hair, and all I'm doing is just pulling down these two parts at the sides, and I'm going to twirl it a bit, make it look a little curly, you know, make it a little cute. Just have these two things I decided. I don't even know what you call this, and I'm just going to add some hair jewelry to my hair. So I'm adding these little rings to the top of my hair, and I am also going to be adding these things that you add to your braids or your locks. I'm adding those to the little, let's call them pigtails, at the side of my hair. Right, so it took me a while to put them on, but that is about it. I'm going to add one more ring back up to the top, and that is it for my hair. Isn't it pretty?
Alright guys, so this is my wardrobe, and as you can see, it's not exactly very neat and stuff right now. I have no idea how I'm even going to find something to wear in here, but that is the challenge. That is what we have to do, so let's take it on in stride. I honestly don't know what I'm thinking to wear. You see, a lot of my clothes are not very baddie-ish, so I'm thinking this, because this could just dress up any look. I'm actually thinking some black tights. So I have some black tights here. I'm thinking to do a boot and some sort of really cute top. So that is my idea. A jacket, black tights, a boot, and I have to find a top somewhere. So this is the idea. Let's see. Alright guys, so I have my outfit on and I am ready to get started, but I just wanted to do one more thing. I wanted to possibly add some eyelashes and also some lipstick to this makeup look, just to make my Baddie transformation complete. So I'm just going to do that, and then it's time to show you guys what I came up with for my Instagram Baddie transformation.
So I am just going to be starting by adding some eyelashes to this look. I think that was the one of the things that it was missing. So I'm just adding, you know, my strip of eyelash to this on both sides. Pretty simple. This was what was missing from my makeup look. So immediately just zhuzhes it up a bit. Zhuzh, that's a fun word. And next I am going to be adding some lipstick. I'm going to do a really cute ombre lip with some red, a little bit of pink, and some black. And it's really simple, there's nothing special to it, but I really think that this look just needed to be jazzed up a bit, because you know, Instagram baddies are all about being bold and being out there and going above and beyond. So my look definitely needed that.
Alright guys, so that was my Instagram Baddie transformation from me to a baddie. Yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to do this. I thought it would be kind of fun. It was kind of annoying, to be very honest, and kind of pretentious, but I did it anyway. As I said, my makeup was already done, so I was like, why not? It wasn't necessarily very planned. So I was able to do it, and of course I was able to achieve the infamous Instagram baddie pose right here. So guys, thank you for checking out this video of just nonsense, and until the next time, namaste babies, bye.